Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you are good. In today's video I'm going to share with you anti-wrinkle and skin tightening serum. Before I share with you how to make this anti-wrinkle and skin tightening serum, let's talk about the main ingredient that is very important is a rice. We need a rice water in this serum. Rice water is actually a very good food for your skin. Rice water is also very good for your hair. This rice water works as a for your food to your skin, so it means it nourishes your skin and it fulfills your all skin requirement. It has a minerals, vitamins. The first step I will show you how to make the rice water, so let's jump to that step.
For rice water, I add here 2 tablespoons of washed rice in a pan. Then I add half a cup of water and leave it for cook 5 to 8 minutes. When it start boiling, I leave them for more 5 minutes until I get thick water from the rice. So here is 6 to 7 tablespoon thick rice water.
After making the rice water, here in this container, this is the rice water. I show you how to make this. Next you need a vitamin E capsule, 1, and then you need a rose water. This is a normal rose water. This is from the company Marhaba. You can use any rose water. And next, so the next thing, this is an optional. If you have the saffron string, you can use it. If you don't have it, just skip these and make the serum without these strings. So this is the normal saffron stick. You can see these red. So I'm going to use this because I have it. If you don't have it, just completely skip this and make your serum without. In little container, you need the same amount of rose water as you have the rice water quantity. So you need to have the same quantity of both. You need to put 3 strings of the saffron. You can see the yellow color of the saffron. I put them for 5 to 8 minutes to leave these saffron in rose, dip in the rose water and leave it for 5 to 8 minutes. So this is ready now. Rice water is ready. So let's prepare the serum. So I'm going to make my serum in this spray bottle. If you have any spray bottle, you can use it. You can use any jar, any container. So let's prepare the serum in this bottle. First add the rice water. Now I'm going to add this rose water with saffron. Like this. Next I'm going to add this vitamin E capsule. Next I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. This aloe vera gel makes this serum a thickened property and make it like a serum. So I'm going to add this 1 teaspoon like this aloe vera gel. I'm going to tap this so aloe vera gel can go inside. So I use back of the spoon to put all aloe vera gel inside this bottle. So let's close this now and mix it well. Let's shake this bottle to mix all the ingredients well. So yes, this serum is now ready. One important thing to note here, please use market based aloe vera gel. Do not use the fresh aloe vera gel because we made this serum and we keep this serum for 2 to 3 weeks in the fridge. So market based one is a good option in this serum. So let's talk about how to use this serum. So as I told you, keep this serum refrigerated. When you want to use, just take the bottle out and spray like this on your face and let it dry. So best time to use this rice water serum is a night time. When you do your night care routine, you can use this serum when you use your normal serum after moisturizer. So you can use this rice water serum. So this leave this serum overnight for your skin, let it dry, leave this overnight, and you can go to sleep, and next morning you can wash with a normal face wash. This is all about today's video. If you have any question, ask me in the comment section, and I hope you like the video and stay tuned for the next one.